Upcoming specs and features of Moto G7. Motorola is reportedly working on the next generation of G-series smartphone, dubbed as Moto G7. The smartphone's key specifications have been leaked online. The leaked specifications were obtained by Howtech Nigeria, and it reveals that the smartphone will feature a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display, with a screen resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels. The resolution hints that the phone will come with a smaller notch, which could be similar to what we have seen in Vivo V11 Pro or Realme 2 Pro. Moving on, the smartphone will be powered by an octa-core processor. Although there is no hint about the model of the chipset, many believe it would be none other than Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 chipset. The same chipset is available in Motorola One Power. Interestingly, the Moto G7 will run on Android 9.0 Pie, and it will be backed by a 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of internal storage. The memory could be further expanded up to 256 GB via micro SD card slot. For optics, the smartphone will feature a dual-camera setup at the rear, which will come with a combination of 16-megapixel primary lens and a 5-megapixel secondary sensor. For the front, there will be a 12-megapixel shooter for selfies and video calling. The phone features a fingerprint sensor at the back as well. Lastly, the device will be backed by a 3500 mAh battery. Since the current Moto G6 generation was introduced early this year, it's safe to assume the G7 lineup is not coming before 2019. This means that it's too early to tell whether the leak is legit or not, so we need more evidence to pile up before drawing any conclusions. Further, it is also likely that the brand might introduce a Moto G7 Play and Moto G7 Plus during the launch event as well. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates in future. And also like and share this video.